Hi guys, we're playing MM2 and I got innocent. No. What no? What no? Bo. Murder. Man! You get us all killed! You get us all killed,
Sa cellphone ko
Bo!
ayaw maging murderer.
Oh.
Sa cellphone ko ayaw maging murderer.
Paano?
Ayoko nga eh. Bakit?
Nalalagaw.
Naglalagyo ano?
Dahil sa footstep, di ba?
Hindi. Naglalag talaga ako pag murderer.
Ako din.
Pero pag sheriff, innocent, hindi.
Hindi nga ako din. Amason. Subscribe to Birthday Knowledge to Bo. Subscribe to Birthday Knowledge. He's my He's my brother. Say
Yan. Dalawa lang.
what? I said hi to the pin. Yo. Let's go. He's a YouTuber too, Bo. He's a YouTuber. So we can collab. That's right, Bo. Yes, it's gonna make a video. Yeah, boy. It may be just breaking doctor, please. Emergency. Breaking doctor, please. Oh, smart! Why everyone is gonna target me, bro? Why everybody? Can you stop?
Nah, bro.
Why you won't? Man, fake headless. Because that's a banana head. Let's go back there.
Kayo, kasi hindi nag-deliver yung ano.
Wow, move! So I can oh no. No way, I just teach that though. No way, I just teach that. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. Oh, no. Take a screenshot with me, bro. I'm famous now, bro. YouTubers, but also subscribe to me. I'm friends with. Wait, did I friend you? Oh, he's my friend. Okay. Tilag. Who's lag? Who's laggy? T. Vector, credit, verde, why? Ano? Nauna, sawa. Why this a bag over here? I hate mini avatars. I hate mini avatars. When I'm at 10, he did see my base though. Please be sheriff. Please be sheriff. No, go. What is stop? Oh, just move. I like military,
M.
not factory. Who's in my back? Oh, Spectre! He killed by one shot. Oh, he killed by one shot, boom. I'm gonna said, I hate this life. Oh, no picture. What is what? Ma! Ibis!
Hindi. Ano yan?
Yung itim.
Bubuyog. Ay ano, bubuyog yung ano, talagubang na maliit.
Ngayon, ako na mag-ugas ng pwede.
Kaya pala parang may kumakagat dito eh.
Ay niya, pinikap ko yung kanya.
Hindi! Putik! Protect mo ko!
Yan na sa karuatan ng iwan yung butas. Ay kung wala mga pinikap dyan yung ano.
Just a game. Yeah, bo.
Iipunin muna nung ano.
It's just a game. Just a game.
Ha?
It's hard to use paper
Ano?
bag.
Oh.
What is it? Tablet. Oh, it's on tablet. It's an iPad. I thought he was married, bro.
Sa papo. Masin eh. Tatanggal na pala. Ano pala? Ah. Okay. Ito lang pala.
Hindi pa pwede na. Ay, din. Ito pwede na.
Ayan,
Mete, why pa?
Red Mill. Red Mill. Wala pa pang jogging.
Your
Meron ka na naman, ano lang, yung video.
channel
Manual.
name. What's
Treadmill. Magkano? Saan? 2.8?
Despicable Me 4? What's
Para sa bahay na lang yung lakad.
Pwede ka hulugan. Pwede mo daw hulugan sa binjay na bigas.
Ay, hindi ako naka-update ko eh.
what name channel?
Shopee Pay. Shopee Pay.
Throw me.
Yung laptop na ginagamit yung binjay ka mo, anong specs nun?
Throw me and
Ha?
throw my avatar. Draw my avatar and send it to me so I can profile it.
Ibay naman.
Mama na. Oh.
Ito yung malaki.
Why do I want military? Sir,
Yan, tumatakbo.
he thought I was going there, but slowly. Bang! 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 I'm gonna lock the door on him. Who's behind me? I'm gonna lock the door. Oh, I lock it. Nearly escaped. Oh, no se presta. Why am I lagging, Bo? Yo, no, Bo. No, yo. I thought no. Oh, what? Mama! What the? Tomato is just poop. He's outside.
Walang pattern dyan.
Can anyone trade me and power? Please. I want a power so bad. I'm gonna buy this drone knife scooter. Okay. Okay. What is it then? What is it? Whoa.
Bili ako na pa pala.
Doon sa Lucen.
Listen?
Oo.
Ano ako na nakita eh?
What is it?
Kasi yan dyan na doon.
What is it, Bo? What is it, blood? What is it, blood?
130mm. Gano'ng kalaan na yun?
130mm o
What
centimeter?
is it?
Millimeter eh.
130?
Millimeter?
130?
800.
Ito? Mahal ba ito?
Ay,
What is it?
880
What is it?
millimeter. Gano'ng ano nun?
400 centimeter.
Wow.
Millimeter, ito nasa 400
Can it is
centimeter.
respond?
Hindi, ang laki nun.
Sa line?
Ang haba nun, 400 centimeter.
Ano?
880 millimeter. Malit kasi yung millimeter. Ikaw convert mo sa ano? Sa
Sa inches. Ilan?
800.
34.
Tatlo mo ulit.
Ganun siya ka.
3 feet. Ay, 30 feet yung kung feet, 30
Oh, sa
centimeter. Yung sa feet.
It's the bacon guy. It's a Billy guy. Billy.
ano nga,
Why?
baka ganun ka, ganun lang takbo.
Why?
Baka mamaya,
Why?
takbo ka, ganun lang.
Oh, nugget.
Pag nalakyan na yung ibang mo, oh, liit, diba? Diyan ka lang magtatakbo ka ganyan.
Kurot yung 3 feet, no? Yung 3 feet, ganyan.
Nugget.
3 feet,
Nugget.
ganyan. Yung 4 feet yan.
Malit
Oh,
lang.
beach resort.
Malit lang kasi
Ano ba yan?
kasama pa yung ano.
Scooter? Ano?
Aray, treadmill.
Treadmill lang. Galing ah. Makakaya kaya yan.
Order sumami. Treadmill.
Yes! Yes!
3 feet eh.
Para dun doon mag-jogging.
Treadmill nga. Mabilis na tayo mo yun.
Maglalakad-lakad.
Sakto lang yung 3 feet.
Sakto lang yun.
Oo, sakto lang yun kasi baka ganun yun eh.
Well, just... How? I know it's rainbow.
Yun. Okay.
Ito, alam mo, sa hindi yung maliit.
I don't know how, Bo.
Hindi? Ito nga yun.
Men! That is the murderer! No, man. No, man. Woohoo! The touch! Give me the gun! Don't mind. Hello? Why is he not targeting me, Bo? Why is he not targeting me? Come on. Am I visible? Come on, I'm not visible. Okay, visible. Okay, visible. Okay, visible. Yo, come on. Come on. How did I die? How did I die? How did I die, Bo? How did I die? Wait, how did I move?
Ayaw ulit. Ulit ah.
Why does people stacking in my head, Bo? We say spaghetti. Anong? How did I not get a walnut? I want to be sheriff. I want to be sheriff. I want to be sheriff. I'm gonna sit in the living room.
Yung... Dabila, saan mo yan?
Chaos begins. No, what is that? I just watched the people who died. Oh, that was easy. I'm just sitting on the sofa. Yeah. Oh, shimmin. I'm just gonna... Oh, man. I'm hidden.
Ang isa China nagawa na lang sa ano, o China siya oh.
1998.
5.
Tagal na pa.
Oh.
Sa tapat ng Mississippi, yung ginagawa ang military base ng China, dito sila nagtutake off kapag nagpapadala sila ng mga barko na pinangaharang nila doon sa recitation ng
Martin, we're gonna die.
Isi.
City.
ang sitwasyon doon bilang parehong kaana-ana at pagada. An opportunity for China to do this kind of activities again within our own exclusive country.
Hello.
Ang China para sa cheerleading activities dun sa forum nakatutong 24 hours. Laging hapyo ang pinakapuso ngayong long weekend para i-enjoy ang ang sitwasyon sa City of Fire sa Katutok Live.
Whoa, how did I get not a whoa?
Bago lahat siya.
Ay, dami pa na eh.
Wait, I have an idea.
Ang dami mo atin eh.
Dito, okay yung klima, no? Tsaka maraming spot.
Kahit mahagyan may tagulan, nagsapa rin ng mga dumayo sa Baguio sa piling long weekend. Hindi pa rin pinagsasawa ang pasyalan ng Burnham Park kung saan mag-enjoy ang biking at boating. Pero,
Yawa maan. Na si the dead body.
First time,
I love the Philippines. This is really fun and awesome. Hindi na nakikipagmanahan din kami sa
Ano ba?
Christmas feels dito.
o taga ibang bansa. Scarlet Zero ay. Sama. Please be share it. Yes!
Samantala, bukas ito sa mga motorista ang Kellen Road. Nagyan doon ang tabing ang Patmos Highway. Emil?
Oh. I knew it!
Sigaw pa.
I knew it! Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Basic!